This is the Alcoba Swim Up Suite at Unico 2087. It's roughly 625 square feet. Let's take a look. Here's the bathroom, double sinks. This is open here, but when I go into the bedroom, I'll show you that it can slide. So if you want to have a little bit more privacy in the bathroom. Toilet, rain shower head. And they give a ton of toiletries here. You really have to bring very little. There's a robe and slippers. The robe is really, really comfortable. It's like a jersey cotton material. And there's a safe in there, big snack basket, an espresso coffee machine, and then the mini bar, you can customize that, but here's what's in this one. They also have Bud Light and Modelo, a bunch of different beers. King size bed. TV, I love the TV is a smart TV, so we can watch Netflix on there. Everything in here was made from local artisans, so it's all, each room is a little bit unique. And then it's just finishing up raining right now, but some hammocks and the swim out. I'll step in so we can see where it goes. This is building 1, so this is all the way at the end, so this is private on this side, but there are ones in the other buildings, and they'll be, you know, more towards the main things, but you'll have people walking by your room. Here you don't really have too many people. And that's the swim out.